Envoy for Infrastructure, Raila Odinga, has made public a short video clip assuring the country that he is faring on well. The video was shared by his last-born daughter, Winnie, that say a section of Kenyans wish him a speedy recovery.
And we are back, feeling good and fresh, ready for the game, was a message that Raila Odinga's daughter Winnie shared on social media as she unveiled to the public a short video of her father, who is recuperating in the United Arab Emirates after undergoing a medical procedure.
All right, Dad. Everybody was talking like you're in ICU. How are you feeling?
No, I'm feeling good.
Yeah?
Great.
Feeling strong?
I feel very strong and rejuvenated.
Yeah.
It feels great really to be out of hospital and breathe fresh air. Huh?
Be dancing for us soon.
Yes. I think I'll be doing my usual jigs very soon.
Yeah.
His family had told The Standard on Tuesday that the former premier was out of danger but would not be coming home soon. His wife Ida said the NASA leader had been successfully treated for a nerve disorder affecting one leg and needed more time to rest. Reason: he would be staying in the United Arab Emirates for some time until he was fit to resume his heavy political duties. On his part, Odinga says,
I want to thank all my friends, my supporters, all our youths who have sent me so many messages of goodwill. It has just been amazing and it's just wonderful. It makes you recover so fast. That's why I'm up and about right now.
As a section of Kenyans too wished him quick recovery, with some introducing more titles on him.
His teargassness, his tibiness, his mercifulness, his graciousness, his amnesty, Adonijah, flame of peace, Prince of Freedom, People's President, Raila Amolo Odinga.
Others pulling a Raila dress code challenge, with his son Raila Odinga Jr. sharing the same. Odinga left the country abruptly, with his handlers initially refuting reports that it was on medical grounds until his family eventually confirmed the same. Duncan Hemba, KTN News.
And indeed, we wish him a speedy recovery. Let's now take a